Hey guys, welcome back to the channel RP Let's Explore. So guys, in today's video session, I'll show you how to connect the Orchestrator with the UiPath Studio. There are very simple steps that you need to follow. So before connecting we have to know about few things like our system name or laptop name. So to get the name of system and the laptop, you can open the UiPath assistant. This is by default came when you install UiPath Studio. So this is a new version of UiPath Studio. So go to here and click on the preference. Once you click on this, here you are able to see the orchestrator setting. So what I'll do is I'll choose here the machine key, and you are able to see the machine name, this one. So my machine name is this one. So simply I'll copy this one and I'll paste over here. Now, the second thing which I needed is domain or the username. So how can I find it? So you have to press the Windows R. Once you press it, it will pop up one window and you need to put the CMD. Click OK. So there will be window. So type who am I and enter. So once you click on enter, you will find this thing. So copy this one and put over here. So now you have these things. So simply close it. Now we'll move to the studio. So you observe your studio. Here you are able to see the orchestrator not connected, and this is in a white color. So the very first step, you have to open platform.uipath.com, this URL. So once it will open, it will ask for the sign in. I already signed in, so that's why it's showing directly my account. And here you need to go in admin and you just click on this orchestrator. Otherwise, you can go to home and click this student default service. So once you click on this default service, we able to see the screen, and here are few things available like automation, robots, environment, queue, asset. The format is quite different than previous version. So here the new things, this one, and you are able to see these things: robot, folders, users, roles, machine, and this is the default folder. So first thing what we have to do, we have to connect our machine. We need to add machine into the orchestrator. So here I already added the previous machine which I have worked. So the new machine I need to add. So click on this add button. You are able to see the add standard machine and the add machine template. So right now I'll click on this standard. So name which I already know. So this desktop, I'm copying this one. Then click on the provision. So once you add the machine here, you can copy key from here. Otherwise, I'll simply keep this copy machine key, or simply you can copy from here, copy machine key to the clipboard, and otherwise you can go to the edit and you can able to copy from here. So in this way you can copy the machine key, right? So now machine is added. Now what we have to do, we just go to the default, and now we have to create a robot. So I'm simply click on the robot and just click on this symbol add. Again there are two options, standard robot and the floating robot. So I'm click on the standard robot. Now here I need to select the machine which I recently added, this desktop, this one. And name, you can give name to your robot. So I'll give my robo. Then description, it's not mandatory, you can provide. Then type, there are a few options available, so you can choose as per your requirement. So right now I'll be use the unattended. Then now you need domain or the username. So here I already know the domain and username, so I'm just copying this one and providing here. So the password is your machine password, right? So just I'm providing it. And here credential type, you can choose anything as per your requirement, but right now I'm choosing the Windows credential, and I'll click on the create. So once this robot is added, my robot, and here environment is not added, right? So what we have to do, we have to add the environment. So I'll go to the environment. Here I already created two environment. You can create from here environment. So what I'll do is I'll just open this environment which I already added. I'll click on this one, and you have to click the manage. So once you click on the manage, you are able to see the what robots available in your orchestrator. So these three robots available right now, but I want this my robot. So I'll click on this, and I'll click on this update. So once robot is added in this environment, so you just go to simply in the robots, and now you are check the test2 environment is added here, right? So done. So we have created machine here, we created machine here, then we created robot, and we just add that robot into the environment, right? This one. So now what we have to do, you just open the UiPath assistant. Here I already open, or simply you just type here UiPath assistant. You just open it, and then you are able to see here preferences. Click on here. Now you click on this orchestrator setting. So what I'll do is I'll choose here connection type is machine key. So once I choose this one, the machine name is automatically came. Now here I need to provide the orchestrator URL. So go to the orchestrator, and you need to copy till here orchestrator, and copy this URL, and you can put here. Done. Now machine key, I just copied here. Otherwise you directly go your orchestrator, go to the machine, and copy the machine key from here, and you can put here. So done. Now just click on the connect. It will take few time to connect. It's connected. Now you are able to see the green symbol connected and licensed. Now if you check here, I'll refresh it. I'll go to the robots. So now you are able to see this is a green symbol. It means it's a connected, and its status is available, right? Otherwise you can go here robot, and my robot which I have created is in the green symbol, and it's connected environment test2, and it's available, right? And if you check your this one, so here is also green symbol. Now the robot is connected to the orchestrator, right? And if you check here your UiPath Studio, Earlier it was not connected, but right now it's a default, the green symbol, and here you are able to see the orchestrator URL and the folder name is default. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you to make understand how connect the orchestrator to the UiPath Studio. So guys, keep watching, keep learning. Happy automation.